Welcome back, YouTube. Just a quick update. Nothing's changed, but this this tarp, I just wanted to kind of give a review of it real quick before I go to work. It it's been out here, what, couple months. Rain, snow, ice, uh, cold temperatures. Not the sun. It hasn't been exposed to a lot of sun, but it seems to be doing really well and doing what it's supposed to. But even though it's not real thick, it does seem to work really well. So I just wanted to give a review on that. I did change the oil a couple times. I switched. I drained the oil that was in it from the factory, which had been about 6 months. I should have probably drained it a month after ownership, since I didn't put the first 20 hours or 100 miles on it. But I put 10W30 in it, ran a couple miles. I made a new oil filter, drained that, and I put another oil filter in it, and OW30 for the winter. I noticed the difference in the shifting. It shifts much easier, but it's a little louder because the OW30 is a thinner oil. I think 10W30 is probably a better oil for this, but because of below freezing temperatures and OW30 being a better startup oil for cold temperatures. The OW30 from Pro Honda synthetic blend, it is approved for break-in period. So if you live in extremely cold climates, you can use that. It will help it start easier. There's a few things you want to take into consideration when you're below freezing temperatures, 20 degrees, teens, single digits, and below freezing, or below zero. You want the right viscosity of oil, OW30, say for a rancher. A fully charged battery. I take my battery out in the winter. I fully charge it, take it off the charger, charge it periodically, or anytime I make sure it's fully charged before I come out here to start it. I siphon the fuel out of this gas tank. It has a little anti-ciphering plastic device in. You just have to pull that out. I think there's a video on YouTube to show you how to do that, because you can't drain it any other way. I mean, you can, but you'd have to constantly turn on and off to pump it out from the injector. But anyways, so I took the gas that was in it out. It smelled good, but it's been in it since I bought it. It came off the factory in July. I don't know how much fuel the dealership put in it, but I ran it down. It was about half a tank, because I put almost 20 miles on it, up and down the alley over several months. But until I'm able to actually get out, I wanted to pay it off. It's almost paid off first before I spend money on a trip. I'm still waiting on a vehicle. Anyways, so I put premium high octane in it. It's approved for it in owner's manual. That's one of the things you want to do when you store it anyways. Another thing you want to do, if you're just going to be sitting, the jack it up and keep the tires off the ground so there's no weight pushing on the tires. Check your air pressure. But yeah, if you're trying to start this, you'll see a significant difference if it's 0 degrees, 10 below, and you have OW30 in it, and you have a fully charged battery, and you have high octane premium fuel in it. It should start way easier and should warm up quicker. Not that I recommend starting it in extreme cold, but if you have to, that would be my recommendations. You also can put 5W30 if you don't need it as cold. You can use 10W30, 5W30, and 0W30. 0W30 allowing you to get down to the coldest of the temperatures. 5W30 colder than 10W30, 10W30 is usually a summer viscosity oil. If you live in a colder climate, then you want to look at 5W30 and 0W30. And Honda makes both, and I recommend theirs because you need oil that's designed for wet clutch. And you can do your research on JASO, T930, SJ, MA. And so I'll see you again here next time. I gotta get to work, and click the subscribe or like button if you like the content. Thanks.